Good day everyone. I am presenting our Robotics 3 final project under the topic Virtual Prototyping. For this activity, I create a digital simulation using Tinkercad to demonstrate how different electronic components work together in a motion-activated automatic lighting system. This project uses Arduino Uno, a PIR motion sensor, an LDR or light-dependent resistor, a relay module, and a light bulb. The system is designed to automatically turn on a light when motion is detected and the surrounding area is dark. Before discussing the connections, let me first describe the components and their specific function. 1. Arduino Uno serves as the main controller or brain of the project. It processes signals from the sensors and sends commands to the output components. PIR motion sensor detects any movement of people or object in front of it and sends a signal to the Arduino when motion is detected. LDR, light-dependent resistor, measure the brightness of the surrounding. It allows the system to determine whether it's day or night. Resistors are used to reduce current flow, adjust signal levels, divide voltage, determine transmission lines, and more. Relay module acts as an electronic switch. It enables the Arduino, which operates at low voltage, to safety control high voltage devices such as light bulb. Light bulb serves as the output device. It lights up when the system detects motion in low light condition. Breadboard and jump wires are used to connect all the components neatly and without soldering.
All the components are connected in strict connections. The VCC pin of the PIR sensor is connected to the PIB pin of the Arduino to supply power. The GND pin or the PIR sensor is connected to the ground of the Arduino. The out pin of the PIR sensor is connected to the digital pin 2 of the Arduino. This connection allows the Arduino to receive a high signal whenever motion is detected by the sensor. Second, LDR sensor connections. One terminal of the LDR is connected to the PIB supply on the breadboard. The other terminal of the LDR is connected to the analog pin A0 on the Arduino, as well as the one end of a 10K ohm resistor. The other end of the resistor is connected to ground. This creates a voltage divider circuit, allowing the Arduino to read changes in light intensity as analog values. The third is relay module connections. The VCC pin of the relay module is connected to the PIB pin on the Arduino. The GND pin of the relay module is connected to the Arduino's GND. The signal pin IN of the relay module is connected to the digital pin 8 of the Arduino. This allows the Arduino to control the relay by high or low signals, which switches the light bulb on or off. Light bulb connections. The common COM terminal of the relay is connected to one line of the AC power source. The normally open NO terminal of the relay is connected to one terminal of the light bulb. The other terminal of the light bulb is connected back to the power source neutral line. When the relay is activated, it completes the circuits and allows current to flow, turning the light bulb on. Here is how the systems work. The LDR continuously measures the brightness of the environment when the surroundings are dark, and the PIR sensor detects movements. The Arduino sends a high signals to the relay module. The relay then closes its switch, allowing electricity to flow and firing the light bulb. When there is no movement or when it is bright, the Arduino sends a low signals to the relay, turning the bulb off. This information helps in energy conservation and provides convenient lighting control without manual switching.
Our project features or our project prototypes is an automatic lighting system equipped with a motion sensors that detect human movement. When a person passes by, the light automatically turns on, and when no one is around, it turns off to conserve energy. This is the flowchart we made. Starts. Read the data from PIR sensor. No. Turn light off. Is motion detected? Read light intensity from LDR sensor. Is room bright enough? Light level high? No. Read the data from PIR sensor. Wait until no motion is detected. Read the data from PIR sensor. Summary: this project demonstrates how sensors and microcontrollers can be integrated to an intelligent and efficient through virtual prototyping. Using ThinkCAD, we can test and visualize the behavior of our circuit before acting implementation.